Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add PayPal to Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com website, and first you need to log in to your Squarespace account. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Now, from this left side menu, click on this settings icon. Click on selling, then click on payments. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Scroll down a little bit and click on this PayPal logo. A new window pops up. Connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on Squarespace. Fill in your PayPal email address and your country here. Click on Next. Log into your PayPal account. Allow PayPal to connect your account with Squarespace. In order for PayPal to work properly on your site, Squarespace needs your permissions. I authorize Squarespace to use PayPal checkout to process payment, issue a refund for a specific transaction, authorize and capture your email transactions, obtain your PayPal account balance, obtain information about a single transaction, search your transactions for items that match specific criteria and display the results. Also use PayPal checkout to process mobile payments, manage your invoicing through a third party, create and manage your recurring payments, obtain authorization for pre-approved payments, and initiate pre-approved transactions. Those are all the permissions you are given to PayPal. Click on Agree and Connect. Thank you for signing up. Click on Go back to Squarespace. Update your PayPal billing agreement to take advantage of all the Squarespace's selling features. Continue to PayPal to save your update. Click on Update and Continue. Click on Agree and Pay. As you can see, customers can now pay using PayPal and Venmo. Go to Payments. Now you have the connected title next to PayPal. And this is how to add PayPal business to Squarespace account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.